I heard you looking to be movie groovy, is that right? Hey, my loves, are you guys ready for the Freddy? Oh, Lordy. Let's get into it. So your children looking for the squishy dumplings. Oh, child. Dollar Tree definitely has them. They have the mystery dumplings at the tree. Now, these are $1.25. Honey, move your feet to the beat. When I tell you I got some treats for you to move your feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets, honey, I ain't holding back. Dollar Tree Biz ad, check this out. Honey, I could just move and groove. You know you rocking with the best. Honey, leave it to the rise. I'm telling you, if you want the best. Look at this video. Honey, I ain't like the rise. Amazing finds at the tree. When I tell you, ooh, I was so wrong about this drink. This is my first time trying it. Oh my, Amani, how is it? This is so good. So you guys been saying that this is so good. In fact, I received so many comments of people saying that how good it was on Facebook, saying, oh, it tastes just like chocolate. You can't really taste the coconut. We gonna get this to go like Joe. So this is the coconut water from So Natural. Now, So Natural, they drinks taste amazing. So Amani and I, my youngest daughter, we gonna get this to go like Joe. Please be good. Please be good. So this is pretty much how it comes out. All right, 1, 2, 3. Not bad at all. Movie to the groovy. If you happen to see this setting spray, movie to the groovy. So this is pretty much how my face looks after I applied the setting spray. It looked hydrating. It looked glowy to the flowy. Absolutely love this. When I tell you, you looking for an inexpensive setting spray, you want your makeup to be laid and slayed, not delayed, honey, you definitely want to head to the tree for this one. The setting spray, it has things in here like aloe vera, cucumber extract. Honey, this is amazing at the tree. When I tell you I'm just moving and grooving at the tree, listen, if you guys are looking for digestive packets that is going to help with your digestive system, oh, Dollar Tree has it. The heat, you got to move your feet, honey. Now, you get 2 packs of these. Honey, it is the dang like a chicken wing. Now, this is peach. Tastes like peach. They also have, you are suffering with sleep, oh my looky cookie, they have the lavender that's gonna give you a treat. Now you just take 1 packet, you add it to your water, shake shake shake, and let it bake. Okay, I mean, honey, it's not gonna bake, you just drink it. All right, now helps you unwind before bedtime. It has magnesium in here. Oh chill, I'm here for it. Now Dollar Tree also have the bone support. Honey, when you come to the tree, it is the movie groovies for me. Now, this promotes daily wellness, these packets. I love the fact that you get 2 of these, and it is given definitely name brand find at the tree. You get what I'm saying? Honey, movie to the groovy. Now, the next item they have up is hydrocortisone. I said, say why? Now, this is 6 packets, fast itch and rash relief. Oh, looky cookie. You know what? I'm just saying, like, what in the world is Dollar Tree doing at this point? You ever felt that way when you came to the tree, asking yourself, what are they doing up in here? Check these items out. Dollar Tree has the African black soap. Honey, it is the goal for me on a packaging at Once Quality. Made with nourishing shea butter, gently moisturized skin, $1.25 for the one you want. When I tell you, you need to move your feet to the beat like yesterday and come on down to the Dollar Tree. Honey, it is the finds for me that wants all the tea. Check this out. Honey, we gonna through it and do it. Now, Dollar Tree has the facial mist with hypochlorous. You have wounds, dark spots. Honey, this is a recovery facial mist, $1.25 at the tree. Grape water, soothing facial mist, 100% grape water, moisturizes and calm. Honey, they are not playing at the tree. $1.25. They want all the tea in your coin. Now, Dollar Tree also have these facial pads. When I tell you these are movie to the darn groovy, if you are looking for facial pads that smells good, honey, this is going to be your thing. Now, this is the Fresh Glow new brand. Now, this has cucumber, hydrosol, and aloe. This one is for hydrating your skin, for hydrating your face, and it is going to moisturize. Well moisturize. I mean, like, moisturize your skin. Honey, you're going to be glowy to the flowy. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Cozy Glow. Now, all of them pretty much, you know, they say smell good and look good. Honey, they should have put on here feel good, okay? Vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. This is brighten and hydrate your face. They also have the brown one. Now, this is the smell good, look good, niacinamide and coconut oil. Softens and protects, $1.25. So you looking for a dupe at the tree? Honey, I got you. Now, this puts me in a mind of Bioma. Ooh, child. Now, if you ain't looking to spend about $10 and up, honey, you better come on and shop at the tree. They have the trees. You just gotta move your feet. So, Dollar Tree has the Dupe. This is a Bioma dupe. Now, this is Orchid Moisturizing Gel Cream Daily Facial Moisturizer. Delivers hydration. They also have the Balancing Face Mist. Perfect for a quick refresh. Delivers and soft, hydrate, and finish. Now, Dollar Tree also have the face serum. This is good for your skin barrier. So maybe you done broke the skin barrier, like when you put stuff on your face, now your face actually burns. Well, this is a protector, $1.25 at the tree. You know, all I could do is deliver, you know, and that's word to the mother and the brother. It is these amazing finds at the tree that's just gonna have you move your feet to the beat. Check this out. Now, I heard you was looking for something to hold your hair. Mousse, that is. Now, this is the Tresemme. This ain't a dupe. This is the real deal, like Holyfield. This is the extra hold mousse. They also have the hairspray. Oh, child. They also have the rich moisture hyaluronic infusion, restore, detangle, 72-hour hydration with system. This is the shampoo. They have the conditioner. Looky cookie. And then if you are a girly, they have the Bouncy Curls. Honey, they have the Bouncy Curls Peptide Blend. Now, this has the shampoo. This is a heat protectant as well. Honey, won't he do it? Movie groovy to the looty. You looking to relax? Perhaps you had a long day. Well, honey, look my way. Now, Dollar Tree has the steam showers. Check this out. Now, the steam shower said, I got the power. You remember? I got the power back in the day, that song. Listen, Dollar Tree has the 5 tablets. Fresh mint for clarity and focus. Aromatherapy shower tablets. Infuses with shower steam. Melts to release essential oils. Clears the mind and body. Non-medicated. Honey, $1.25. So I heard you guys was looking for a sweet treat at the Dollar Tree. Okay, honey, I'm talking about all types of finds up in here today. Check these items out. So Dollar Tree has the new BioPure bath bombs. Now, they come in 3 different scents. They have the hazelnut marshmallow bath bomb with cozy vanilla. They also have the cherry blossom. Now, They also have the part tart looking thing, okay? Honey, if you like sweets like a chicken wing, this is your thing. They also have the donut. Oh, child, it's the sprinkles for me at the tree, $1.25. Now, I heard that you guys was looking for some fancy panties at the tree, all right? Now, I'm going to have you move your feet, but it's up to you to move it to the beat. Check this out. Now, if you guys are looking for some hand soap, it's definitely going to be the Delta, but not any type of Delta. We're talking about the watermelon and basil. This is $1.25. It smells so amazing. Love it. So first up, Dollar Tree has the Magic Ball cold drink dispensers, BPA free. Love this. They have the little skeleton hand on here. Honey, this is not a miss. This is not a diss. Now, Dollar Tree also have the pumpkin. Honey, at first I thought the witch hat came off, but Dollar Tree said, you know, we fancy pantsy to the mancy. Love this. Now, if you guys are also looking for some Halloween baskets for the little ones, they have the bat. They also have the dinosaur looking one, and then they have the pumpkin. Love these. And Dollar Tree has the 24-inch stacking pumpkins out right now. They have the white and also the orange. Yes. So Dollar Tree has the borax. Now let me tell you something about borax. Borax is amazing to wash laundry with, and a multi-purpose cleaner. If you looking to clean like your baseboards, radiators, or anything like that, honey, this is amazing. Now they have two different scents. They have the lavender, and then they also have the original scent. These are $1.50 at the tree. Now, other items that I absolutely love that's definitely going to have you move your feet to the beat is definitely these fragrance boosters. Sunrise is definitely my thing, like a chicken wing. They also have the Night for a Breeze. Now, these again are fragrance boosters, $1.50 at the tree. I heard you guys was looking for some hair products. I got you. Check this out at the tree. And I tell you, the beauty finds for me, honey, it is the Amber Glow Style and Whole Styling Mist infused with agave and batana oil. Honey, move your feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. Now, they also have the styling cream. Oh my looky cookie. When I tell you this thing is a dream team, $1.25, like a chicken wing. Now, they also have the anti-frizz hair serum. Now, this is from VO5. I absolutely love the blue one. And if this is anything like the blue anti-frizz hair serum, oh honey, you in for a darn treat. Now, Dollar Tree also has the Larry's Choice. This is men's hair and beard styling. They also have the tea tree oil, 100% natural, and black castor oil. Now, it is the name brand finds at the tree for me. This is a Monday. Honey, they ain't have the shampoo, but they sure have the conditioner. All right, this is $1.25 at the tree. All right, so Dollar Tree, not only are they being fancy pantsy like Lancy, but they also have this body and hair mist. Now, this scent, it also comes in shower gel, but check this out. So Dollar Tree has the body and hair mist clear water. Now this smells just like coconut, honey. They was not lying. Coconut, cream, tropical orchid, toasted praline. They also have this one, Coastal Garden. These are $1.25 from Power Stick. If you are looking for something that is movie groovy, face and body, it is definitely going to be the Revive. Honey, when I tell you, you have dry skin, deeply hydrates, suited for all skin types. Oh my looky cookie. So I heard you looking to be movie groovy, is that right? Listen, Dollar Tree has the heat. You just got to move your feet to the beat. So Dollar Tree has the heat resistant masks. These are $1.25. They come in several different colors. They have green, my dang, like a chicken wing. They also have the purple and also the pink, $1.25. All right, my love, let us know in the comment section what was your favorite find, and also what are some of the items that you purchased this week from the tree that had you move your feet to the beat. Now, my favorite finds today was definitely the QUR packets. Those looked so fancy pantsy. Number 2 is definitely the setting spray. Oh my looky cookie. And if you guys are looking for some facial pads, 40 for $1.25, that targets dry skin, it is definitely the Cozy facial pad. It is definitely these coming in at number 3. The next item up was the facial mist. Oh my looky to the cookie. And honey, I was wrong. Honey, let me tell you something. If you guys happen to see this at the tree, move your feet to the beat. Just buy one of them and see if it's a sweet treat. Love this. With that being said, make sure you guys rock out, comment, like, subscribe, hype, share. Until next time, feel a vibe and stay alive. Okay, I catch you guys on the next one. Peace.